Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to convert the mathematical recurrence relation into a recursive function in Python programming. Okay, so for this purpose I'm considering McCarthy's 91 function, okay, which can be implemented as a recursive function, and here is the recurrence relation for this McCarthy's 91 function. So you can clearly observe this, your passing value of n, if the value of n is greater than 100, it is going to return n minus 10. And if the value of n is less than or equal to 100, and you can see this is calling m of n plus 11. Okay. So let's start implementing this particular recurrence relation in the form of a recursive function in Python. Okay. So first, let me define a function, capital M, which is taking parameter as n. Now, first write down the condition. So whenever value of n is greater than 100, so in that case, it is going to return n minus 10. So if you go for the else case, this is going to return capital M of n plus 11. Okay, so this is the corresponding function. Yes or no? Now I'm going to call this particular function. Okay, so let me call this function inside a print statement. Okay, this is going to call function m by passing parameter as let us suppose 102. Okay, so let's execute this particular code and see what is the corresponding result given by this McCarthy's 91 function. And this is clearly giving you the result as 92 if you are passing a parameter as 102. Okay, so let's check whether this result is correct or not according to this McCarthy's function. So the parameter given to the function is 102 and the value should be returned by this function is 92. Okay, and the same is obtained here. You can see we are calling function m with parameter as 102 and it is going to return the value or output as 92.